Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap South Whittier local and long-distance movers near me. When you choose to move across the country or even just one state over, you need a long-distance moving company. We offer long-distance movers to help you get the most out of your upcoming relocation. Our team will streamline the moving process and make moving days so much easier. We offer all the basic moving services along with the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you need to move locally, hiring a California moving company just makes sense. You won't have to do any of the work, which means you can focus on other parts of your move. We do the heavy lifting for you and help you save tons of time. 3 Movers knows how to streamline your move. We take your local move and make it happen faster, more efficiently, and stress-free. If you want a better moving day, we are the right choice for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our South Whittier moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.